Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andy Kwekwisego, lead artist of Ask Makeup Artistry. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Please like, share and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you and let's get into it. Hello guys, so this is my beautiful model for today. And then she's called Ohima.
Hi.
Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys or teach you guys how to do a very simple glam for any event. And you know, Val's Day is coming. Please, this video is for people who are going out with their bobo this February. Like Ohima. Ohima, do you have bobo this February?
No.
Oh, why?
Men are not people.
Alright, so let's get into it. So I'm using the all-in-one advanced Snail for her skin prep. Looking at our beautiful model, she already has a beautiful face with the skincare, skinning and everything, so you don't even need to do much on the skin. So we will use this moisturizer to moisturize the skin. Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Okay, so next I will apply my primer on the T area of her face. So that will be the forehead, the nose. Open your eyes for me, under eye, here and then there. Normally, I start with my eyebrow, the eyeshadow, the foundation, like that. We follow the traditional routine. But then today, I will start with the face. I want to start with the face first. I think people start with the eyebrow, the eyeshadow, because they feel like if you start with the face, if you start with the skin work and then you are not careful, the particle of the eyeshadow will just drop on the skin, making it very difficult for you to blend. So me, I will just start with the foundation and then build on it like that. So today I'm using Nars and then Forever Dior from. So I'll leave the shade in the description below so that if you want to buy this product, you can just go through my description box and then you just find your way through the shop, then you get one. I'll start with the highlighting area. I'm using this brush from Evita Joseph. It's a concealer brush, so I'm using this brush, and I'm using a foundation brush from Cosrx Cosmetics. They are always doing so you have to go and grab one. Alright, so I'll start with the highlighting part of the face, and down to the neck area. Please, if you are fond of leaving the product on the face and then come in later to blend, it's very wrong, because we don't want the product to dry on the skin. If the product dries on the skin, you find it very difficult to blend into the skin. So what I normally do is after putting on the product, I make sure I blend it before I move to any other face or any other space on the face. Right. So I like using brush for my foundation application because it doesn't consume the product a lot, unlike the sponge where it would just absorb all the makeup products, right? And bear in mind that we are not doing too much on the skin. We are doing something very subtle and very simple glam for any occasion at all, right? So you don't need to do much on the skin. And then also with the blending, you just have to push the product into the skin. Please don't be dragging your brush, don't be forcing or being too hard on the person's skin. You just have to be very soft and you put the product into the skin. If you are a makeup artist here and then you like putting your hands on the head, please, I hope you left that habit in 2024. Please, you are not entering 2025 with this habit. It's not professional to put your hands on a person's head whilst you are applying the makeup. You should, at least you can do this, or tell your clients to please do this, do that. No rest all your burdens on the person's head. Please, we beg you. We believe that you left your burdens at the 31st watch night. Please don't bring it here. All right. Okay, so this is how perfect foundation match should look on the skin. It should be very, very soft on the skin, not too loud, not too heavy on the skin. So how do you feel on your skin? How do you feel?
It's not heavy at all.
Okay, that's fine. So basically your foundation shade should blend the person's skin seamlessly and shouldn't be too heavy. Do you understand? And one tip is, when your foundation doesn't match the client's skin, you find it very difficult to blend. Like, as soon as you blend, it will come back to the person's skin, leaving lines on it, which we don't want that, right? So always try as much as possible to get the client's skin shade, right? Then make sure you blend and you push the product into the skin to get the perfect shade for your client. You can either use your sponge or your brush, but I prefer using brush, and then a brush from Cosrx because it's good, and then I like it blends seamlessly, right? So next I'll be using the Born This Way concealer for hair highlighting, right? Like I said, I'll leave the shade in the description box, so that if you want to buy, or if you want to buy, you just go to my description and then you get a shade for yourself. All right. So like I said earlier, you put the product there, then you blend. You put the product there, you blend. You don't leave product on there for a very long time because it will be dry, and then it will be very difficult for you to blend it out. So as soon as you put any product there, you blend. Put your product there, then you blend. Put your product, you blend. Don't put your product and then on all over the face, then you leave it there, go and blend. By the time you come back, it's already dry. So you put it there, you blend. So every brush you see in this video is from Cosrx. Colorbox is here for all makeup artists. If you are a beginner, if you are a pro, and then you've not heard of Cosrx, please, this is your time to go onto their page and then buy a brush for yourself. They have all the brushes you need for your makeup, right? I've been using these brushes since 4 years, 5 years, I think, yeah. And it's still the same. I've been washing it every day over and over again after anytime I have a section, but then the braces are still intact, and it's still in a good shape, right? So if you are here and you've not heard of Cosrx, please, this is your chance to go and get a brush for yourself. Thank you. Do you feel heavy on the skin? I'm using this Juvia Stick Foundation for contouring. So yes, it's going to contour this part of the face, not to do too much on the face. If you know my brand, then you know that Andy and Mark Menora Skin Finish, we are 5 and 6, please. I've been using this product since ages. and I really love it. I really love the way it blends into the skin perfectly. So I recommend it for every makeup artist out there, whether you are a beginner or you are a pro. This powder, this press powder is for you. So you're going to, before I go in with my setting powder, first of all, I like to set the under eye first before I put on my powder. I do this because I feel like after applying your foundation, yeah, the under eye becomes very wet, and if you go in directly with your setting powder, it absorbs in, making it very difficult to blend. You see how you put powder on a like water, you see how difficult it is to blend. So I first of all set it so that the setting powder can lie directly on the pressed powder, right? Making it, because at the end of the day, you just want to give the eye effect. So it helps, the effect comes out very natural and very nice, rather than just going in direct with your setting powder to bake or whatever. Yeah. So I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder, translucent powder in the shade Honey for my my highlighting. So with this one, you don't want to apply too much on the skin. Just have to be very gentle and very soft on it. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Annie's Beauty. It's called Happy Bride palette, yeah, because you are trying to give Ohima kind of bridal look for that will complement the outfit. So first of all, we'll go ahead and use the neutral tones first, then we build up to the eyeshadow color that we need on the eye. Please talk, was it? Was it? You can't talk, was it? So after using the dark eyeshadow for the outer V, I'll go ahead and use my main eyeshadow color on the lid. So I'm using this shade, this and this. Yeah. So I used these three shades to achieve this one. So we are just repeating the same thing over here. Okay, so this lashes is from J Lashes. So you open our eye. You open. Look here. Okay. So you are using this pencil from Shaded Beauty. I like this pencil so much because it doesn't move easily. You can cry and cry and cry and cry, but then still the pencil will not move, will be there. And then I like the way it's the pigment, how it is, like it's very beautiful. And then it gives the eyes this kind of catty eye that we all wanted. So look up from me. We all want, sorry, we just cut that one from, look up. So I'm using this blush from V Beauty.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
So this is our final look. So if you are new here and if you've not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and let me know what you think about this look. Please share our video and then see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.